from my experience as a mother, there's no choice but to have to wake up and
Yeah.
feed the baby or change a diaper. But what could be the advice you could give to women who have difficulty with that kind of sleep pattern, especially for those that last after 3 months
Yeah.
and would have to go back to work?
Yeah.
So, similarly, kahit hindi moms, may mga ganun din experience yung ibang tao. So, if you're in a situation where you cannot get good sleep na continuous, take as much rest as you can whenever you can. So, pag may mga small pockets of time within the day na pwede kayong mag-nap, tulog yung anak mo, then take the chance to also rest. Compensate by eating better. And if you have vices, then maybe it's time to consider letting go of that. So, exercise when you can, like, just lift your baby up and down, move and do whatever you can to be healthy in other aspects. So that even if there's a little bit of deprivation with regard to sleep, hindi ka naman totally negative sa ibang aspect.
Ask Dina.